A lot of people ask me, what is it like to actually make millions of dollars? It's pretty good. I'll give you a tip, but here's a video with some details. What's up? Tim Sykes, millionaire mentor and trader here in Orlando at my 11th annual conference. Thank you guys to everybody who came up. Thank you to a lot of people who are tuning in via live stream from all over the world. I'm answering a lot of questions, and I just wanted to make a video just to go over some of the most popular, the most frequently asked questions. Number one, I hear, what is it like to actually make millions of dollars? Because almost no traders do it. Why are you special? I'm not special, okay? My top millionaire students are not special. As I will tell you again and again, we are average people. I'm not that good at math. I'm not that smart. None of my top students are like geniuses. What we have done is looked at patterns in the past and waited for them to appear again. Not obviously exact, this isn't an exact science, but basically we are nerds who study history, for lack of a better term. We know these patterns inside and out, and we all have different patterns too, okay? So it's not like I'm teaching one magic formula that's gonna make you rich. There's probably about maybe 20 strategies, 20 patterns overall, and you rotate between them depending on how well or how poorly they work. You have a job to constantly be tinkering, constantly be testing different strategies, different position sizes, different times of the day, until you find what works best for you. And what works best for you might only last a week, 2 weeks, 3 months, 6 months, and then you have to test and tinker again. And I know that's a frustrating process, like you just want to learn it and then, okay, I learned it, now I never have to worry. That's not how the stock market works. You always have to be adapting. And you might find that you're very good at one strategy in one market, and then maybe the market will change, and then you have to adapt. I'll give you 2 examples. Myself, I made my first million going long penny stock breakouts back in 1999 and 2000. 2001, 2002, not many breakouts at all because it was a very bad bear market. So I had to learn short selling. And I made my second million short selling pretty much the same exact charts, just later in the chart pattern when the pumps turned into dumps. Tim Sykes, my top student who just passed $7 million. We're going to announce it today. Pretty crazy. How crazy is that, Joey?
Nuts.
7 million, right? You remember?
He was like under 100,000.
He was under 100,000, started with just 1,500 of his own money, now over 7 million. He's adapted several times. We've done several interviews, hour-long interviews that are on YouTube. There's like 3 or 4 hour-long interviews that you guys aren't watching. Just type in Tim Sykes, Tim Sykes. You can watch our chats. But if you do listen to them, or if you know Tim Sykes, if you've seen his great DVD guide called Trading Tickers, you have learned that he has adapted multiple times. It's not just 1,500 into 7 million. He was making a lot of money on OTC breakouts, following a lot of the just runners. For a little bit, he was making money just buying the promoter emails when they sent out an email blast. Like him and Michael Good were very quick, and they could buy pretty much right when the promoter sent it out and then sell into all the idiots who bought all the promoter's picks. That strategy stopped working. He was trading a lot of OTCs. That stopped working, so he moved to NASDAQ. That is what you're going to have to do. And the cool thing, as bad as this sounds, and trust me, I know how bad it sounds. You're like, God, do I really want to do this? Like, this is such this is so annoying. This is so tough. Yes, you do want to do it. And yes, it is tough. Anything worth doing and anything where it's going to change your life, it's not going to be easy. Okay. It's not like, hey, everybody want to be a millionaire here. We're handing out millionaires on the side of the street. It doesn't work like that. You do have to adapt. The good news, and there is good news in all of this, is that there's not endless amounts of patterns, endless amounts of adaptations. Like I said, there's probably 20 maximum patterns that are really working well in penny stocks. And you could probably even narrow it down to like 10. Most of my top students like shorting morning spikes, shorting first red days, buying morning dips, or buying first strong green days. That's 4 main patterns. So there might be some more. But if you can learn to go long, go short, and even if you don't like going short, at least learn about it, because you can actually buy these stocks as there's a short squeeze, you'll be better off. And 2 years, 3 years, 5 years in, you'll pretty much have seen everything. So I want you to have the right perspective. A lot of people give up 2, 3, 6 months in and they haven't seen many patterns. They haven't seen different markets and they expect success. Tim Grittani, over $7 million in profits now. Guess what? He made nothing for his first 9 months. So think about that. If the arguably best penny stock trader in the world made nothing in the first 9 months, how are you going to do? Maybe you'll do better. That's cool. I hope that you do. But understand that it's not the end of the world if you don't make money in 3, 6, 9, 12, 24, even 36 months. Michael Hudson, my newest six-figure student who we had up on stage, he's made $115,000 in his third year. He made practically nothing his first 2 years. So leave a comment. Let me know if you're going to be dedicated. Let me know if you understand what I'm saying. This is a journey. This is a marathon. It's not a sprint. Hey, Tim Sykes, millionaire mentor and trader. Thank you for watching my videos. I hope that they help you. I want to share everything that I've learned over the years. You can check out more videos right over there. And also click subscribe so that you can watch all of these videos, get that knowledge, and become my next millionaire student.